In this video, we'll explore how advanced laser technology is transforming the automotive industry, with a particular focus on cleaning and restoring. Our eco-friendly solutions are designed to meet the specific needs of automotive manufacturers, enhancing efficiency and ensuring high-quality results. We'll delve into the science behind lasers, share real-world applications, and highlight the significant benefits of laser cleaning and restoration. The science of laser technology. Laser technology stands for light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. Lasers work by emitting a focused beam of light that is highly concentrated and coherent, meaning the light waves are aligned and travel in unison. This focused energy allows lasers to precisely target and remove unwanted materials from surfaces without causing damage to the underlying material. Key concepts in laser technology include wavelength, power density, and pulse duration. The wavelength determines the type of material the laser can effectively interact with. Power density refers to the amount of laser energy applied per unit area, and pulse duration is the length of time the laser beam is active. By adjusting these parameters, lasers can be optimized for various applications, including cleaning, cutting, and welding. The role of laser technology in automotive cleaning and restoration. Laser cleaning is revolutionizing the automotive industry by providing a precise, efficient, and eco-friendly method for surface preparation and restoration. Traditional cleaning methods often involve abrasive techniques or chemical treatments that can damage delicate surfaces and components. In contrast, laser cleaning uses a focused beam of light to remove contaminants, rust, and old coatings without harming the underlying material. One of the primary applications of laser cleaning in the automotive industry is paint removal. Lasers can efficiently strip old paint from car bodies and parts, preparing them for a fresh coat. This process ensures a clean, smooth surface that enhances paint adhesion and finish quality. Laser cleaning is also used to remove rust and corrosion from metal parts, restoring them to their original condition and extending their lifespan. In addition to paint removal and rust cleaning, lasers are employed for cleaning engine components. Carbon deposits and other contaminants can accumulate on engine parts, affecting performance and efficiency. Laser cleaning provides a non-contact method to remove these deposits, ensuring optimal engine performance without the risk of damaging sensitive components. Real-world examples. Laser applications in automotive restoration. Let's explore some real-world examples that demonstrate the effectiveness of laser cleaning in the automotive industry. One notable application is the restoration of classic cars. Classic car restoration often involves removing multiple layers of old paint and rust without damaging the underlying metal. Laser cleaning provides a precise and controlled method for this process, ensuring that the original details and contours of the car body are preserved. In a specific case, a classic car restoration shop used laser cleaning to strip paint and rust from a vintage vehicle. The results were impressive. The laser cleaning process revealed the car's original body lines and intricate details, which were obscured by layers of old paint and corrosion. This precision allowed the restorers to achieve a high-quality finish that honored the car's original design. Lesser-known benefits of laser technology in automotive cleaning. Beyond the obvious advantages, laser technology offers several lesser-known benefits for automotive cleaning and restoration. One significant benefit is the ability to clean hard-to-reach areas. Laser beams can be directed into tight spaces and complex geometries, ensuring thorough cleaning where traditional methods may struggle. Another advantage is the reduction of waste and environmental impact. Laser cleaning produces minimal waste and does not require chemical solvents, making it an eco-friendly alternative. This aligns with the automotive industry's increasing focus on sustainability and regulatory compliance. Stats on efficiency and quality improvement. To illustrate the impact of laser technology, let's examine some relevant statistics from automotive cleaning projects. A study on the implementation of laser cleaning technology for paint removal revealed a 30% reduction in preparation time. This improvement was attributed to the high speed and precision of laser cleaning, which minimized the need for manual labor and additional processing steps. In rust removal applications, manufacturers reported a 25% increase in the lifespan of cleaned components. The precise removal of rust and contaminants ensured that the parts were restored to their original condition, reducing the frequency of replacements and maintenance. From an environmental perspective, the use of laser cleaning has shown a 100% reduction in the use of chemical solvents. This elimination of harmful chemicals not only protects workers and the environment, but also aligns with sustainability goals. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your colleagues, and subscribe to our channel for more insights into cutting-edge technologies. We'd love to hear your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Let's stay laser-focused on a sustainable future together.